Hello students, hope you all are doing well. Let us start with our next lesson of Fun with Grammar, prepositions. Prepositions and prepositional phrases. What is preposition? Preposition is a word that shows relation of one thing to another in a sentence. Or we can say a preposition is a word that links. Links means shows. Links a noun, a pronoun or a noun phrase to some other part of the sentence. Suppose, for example, I say the book is in my hand. The word in shows the relation of book and hand. Where is the book? It is in my hand. The chalk is lying on the table. The chalk is lying. Where it is lying? On the table. So the word on, it, with, beside, beneath, under, after, of, these words are prepositions which shows the relation or the links of one word to another or in a noun or a pronoun or a noun phrase to some other part of a sentence. Let us see some of the examples to make it clear. The first sentence is, we often play cricket on Sunday. We often play cricket when? On Sunday. On word shows the relation of when you play cricket. People wake up late in winter. When they play? In winter. We often watch a movie at the weekend. When we watch movie? At the weekend. I will be back by 8 o'clock. When will I back? When will I be back? I will be back by 8 o'clock. So by is the preposition. Rinku is standing beside the car. Where Rinku is standing? Beside the car. So beside is a preposition. He is not at home just now. Which is the preposition? At. I differ with you on this point. I differ with you. Where? On this point. My sister is afraid of dogs. My sister is afraid. Afraid of what? Dogs. So here we have seen on, in, at, by, beside, at, on, of, after. These words shows the relation of one thing to another. That is why they are known as preposition. Now let us see what is phrase. You all know what is sentence. Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Then what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of related words that does not include subject and verb. Means in a sentence or the group of words which does not have verb and subject, these words are called phrase. Like on the beach. What is on the beach? The meaning is not clear here, or the thought of the sentence is not clear. Under the seat. What is under the seat? So this group of words, it has no subject, no verb. That is why it is known as phrase. The first two which we have seen is a prepositional phrase. Similar way, adverb phrase. Adverb phrase, here we see under the seat, on the beach. These two are prepositional phrase. Why? Because after preposition you will see the words. As adverb phrase. What is adverb? Adverb adds to the meaning of a verb. You all know it better. So here we will be back in few days. In a few days. Then adjective phrase. Ashley is a girl in the yellow skirt. She is a girl. Which color skirt she had worn? Yellow skirt. So here in the yellow skirt, in a few days, on the beach, under the seat, these are called phrases which does not have subject and verb. So some of the exercise of this lesson we will upload on our school website. You all can copy from that.